Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Knowledge, where we talk about everything related to personal finance and making the most out of your money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: credit cards. Specifically, we're going to talk about the best credit cards for beginners. Whether you're just starting to build your credit or looking for your first card, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding credit cards. First, let's quickly go over what a credit card is and why it's important. A credit card allows you to borrow money from the bank up to a certain limit to make purchases or withdraw cash. It's crucial to use it responsibly because it affects your credit score, which is vital for things like getting loans or even renting an apartment. Segment 2. Factors to consider for beginners. When choosing your first credit card, there are several factors you should consider. A. Annual fees. B. Interest rates, APR. C. Rewards and cashback. D. Credit limit. E. Introductory offers. Segment 3. Best credit cards for beginners. Now, let's get into the best credit cards for beginners in 2024. I've picked out a few that are perfect for those just starting out. Card 1. Discover It Student Cashback. First up is the Discover It Student Cashback. This card is great for students because it offers 5% cashback on rotating categories each quarter, like gas stations, restaurants, and more. Plus, there's no annual fee. Card 2. Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. Next, we have the Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. It's perfect for those with average credit. You get 1.5% cashback on every purchase and a reasonable annual fee. Plus, your credit line increases after making your first 5 monthly payments on time. Card 3. Pedal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card. Finally, the Pedal 2 Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card is excellent for those with no credit history. There are no fees whatsoever, and you can earn 1% cashback right away, increasing up to 1.5% after making 12 on-time monthly payments. Segment 4. Tips for using credit cards wisely. Now that you know some of the best options out there, here are a few tips to use your credit card wisely. 1. Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. 2. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. 3. Monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized transactions. And there you have it, the best credit cards for beginners and some essential tips to get you started on the right foot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments which card you're thinking about getting. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.